Hey, we're in Kumamoto, Japan for round one of All Japan Nationals. I'm here with TK888 at TK888 and the Shogun.
Hi.
Narita. So, round one. Why is it always raining here?
Oh, because Japan.
But are you excited for rain race?
Yeah. I love mud.
You love mud?
Yeah.
And you have new bike?
Yeah.
Oh, secret.
Secret. Yeah.
What's your Instagram?
Instagram.
Yeah, at Akira Narita 982.
Yes.
You
Please follow.
Please follow
Yeah.
Akira Narita 982. So your plate all year is gold because champion?
Yes.
Not
like
point-
a red bread.
So, but if you fall today and Yamamoto win, his plate is gold next week?
Yes.
Oh, gold is leader's plate.
Yes, leader bread.
Hey,
KYB.
new one.
New one.
KYB. No more old.
Let's go. No. Sugar.
Yeah. Even this.
Yes.
This is album now.
No sticker. Carbon.
Go check out Kei Yamamoto. Kei raced MXGP last year. Hey, you're working on your own bike.
Yeah. I'm mechanic.
Where's your mechanic? So, are you glad to be back in Japan after your GPs?
Yeah. I'm so happy about this, and I just do my best, and yeah, that's it.
How many years did you do MXGP?
3 years.
3 years.
Yep. First years when I riding 250, and after 2 years with the 450.
Cool. Are you glad to be back in Japan where it's raining all the time?
Oh. This is Japanese style, you know.
Yeah.
Every time rain, but you know, I'm okay. I'm okay, and I love rain, and you know, anytime I just do my best.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Looks like a hairnet. Is this your mud visor?
Yeah.
So we can in and out.
This is
Oh,
it's kind of special.
mud on stick.
Yeah. Super cool.
Yeah. Toshi.
Yeah.
Toshi Chiba.
What the hell?
He was mechanic in the U.S. for Jason Lawrence.
Oh yeah.
and Ashley Pilot.
I'm a favorite mechanic, right?
Yeah, America's
In the
favorite
US,
mechanic.
Yeah, I love J-Lo also.
Can we see your helmet?
Okay. Maybe Marcia replica? Alright.
Kira's helmet is super sick. What is this? Tenga?
No Tenga. I don't need Tenga.
Oh. This sticker.
Mouthpiece.
Oh, mouthpiece. So, Target is Akira's motocross shop in Sendai, his hometown. Oh, Rhino.
Yes.
Cool, cool. How about Jersey?
Yes. Oh.
Pretty cool. And then in Japan, it rains so much,
Yeah.
they use helmet tear-offs. When do you pull that? First lap?
No, maybe no put on.
No, put it on?
Yeah, I get the whole sauce.
Comp. Last look at the bike. So the subframe and the side panels. Carbon. Say hi to Sam. Mishima-san.
三島さん、こんにちは。こっちはアミです。What time? Right. Instagram.
Facebook.
Facebook.
Inside here are the chopsticks. 時差が
すげえ。いいねしようか。
We got rain.
Okay, we're gonna go up the street. Check out Suzuki. Alright, we're gonna go over to Yamaha, but they're being super secretive about the new YZ. They have these windows so you can't see the bike. I'll show you some other stuff. 250 rally bike. What?
マシンに入ること、あと無線機による通信で助言をすること、
Yeah, they race KTMs in Japan.
雷注意報が出る可能性がありますので、注意報が出た場合は赤旗注意報が出る可能性がありますので、よろしくお願いします。あと藤山ジャンプですね。左側にコーナーとした場合がそのまま左側の通路を通って8コーナーのポストのところから入るようにしてください。一応テープは貼ってありますので注意をお願いします。こちらから以上ですか、何かご質問があれば。質問の方はマイクを渡しますので手を挙げてください。質問がある方いらっしゃいますか。はい、お願いします。僕ははい。その問題です。スーツで出てると思うんですけど、交通その数ですか。この辺を確認とか。スーツ後ろ出てると思うんですけど、そこのテーブルトップのところを左側、それと
See if we can see the KTM.
あそこから、ウォッシュボードを押さえかないで、そのまま水が入っているところです。はい。
はい、まだ質問ある方いらっしゃいますか。手を挙げてください。マイクをお持ちします。ショートカットの件よろしいでしょうか。ただいま出ましたショートカットの件以外に何かありますか。はい、お願いします。
予選開催中止になった場合のいいですけど、決勝のグリッドIA1 のグリッドの組み方っていうのはどのようになる。
All right, it's raining. I'm getting wet, so hope you enjoyed that.